next we're gonna go to your TJBot. We're gonna start coding TJBot. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. It's basically like a Alexa. It's really cool, right? So we're gonna just code it all. This is how we're going to turn it on. 3, 2, 1, yeah! Now do you see those colors? That means it's on. Okay, now we're going to write something that's going to take a long time. So we're just going to CD. TJBot. Okay, now we're going to show you what we did. Okay. I pressed GIT clone HTTPS, and you can copy this if you want to code it. So we got a long thing. Then when you've done it that way, then you press, then you do enter, and then it will go up here. And I'm still typing right here, and I'm going to type it. See, clones it. It clones this. Can I just finish this one? I download this thing from the internet to TJBot. So that's what I did, and that's very cool. So 3, 2, 1. Hey, we got. So okay, it's like we went in a folder and that. So right now we're going to install it and run it. So let's press enter. 3, 2, 1. Enter. Enter. Okay. Oh my God! Oh my God! Okay, oh well, it's installing, and they really coded like a million stuff. It's still going. Still going. We're running all of that stuff. Warning! I think, oh no. I'm going to destroy the warning. Sleep, sleep, sleep. It's time for sleep. With your head, it's time for bed. Stay home. That we just, now TJBot is in this computer right now. That's cool. Okay, right now we're going to do this. Right here we need to put a password and username because it can talk to anyone, but we want it to talk to us. So we're going to put a password and username. We're going to show the username and password is, what is it? Okay, this is the password. See, it's long, and you have to type a password in. You have to press this, but you don't want to show us. So once we know the username and password, we can type it in there. What? Password and username. That's it. Yeah. Next step is put TJ's head back. So I'm gonna just JeffBoy. Here we go. Here's TJBot. Oh, that loud. Okay, this is the last step. So you can build your TJBot. So we're gonna just press. You have to write this code. Like this. This is how you program it and run it. So you press enter. Now I can hear you. Now let's say, TJBot, tell me a joke. Tell me a joke. Watson, tell me a joke. Tell me a joke. Okay, we finally got the robot to do some. It says this. What is a robot's favorite kind of music? Heavy metal. Get it? Okay, well, that's really funny, so we're going, and that's all we have to do.